trip.
Oh, Lenny's gonna jump.
Jump in!
Alright, Lenny! Watch out. That's it, Eddie.
Yeah!
Yeah, go for it!
Woo!
What's she saying?
Look, there's a repelling clip right there.
It's a little intense being up there.
I don't think he's going to do it. I know that if I were in that position, I would probably think otherwise.
You're not gonna get hurt!
Yeah!
I don't know. He's getting close.
Oh yeah. You've already looked over. You got to do it now.
He's thinking about it. His heart's in his throat.
Look,
He's grabbed his pants, wondering if he's going to lose them.
Yeah.
Yeah!
He thought, my children, no. At least that's what I think. Mom, let's race.
Oh no! Oh, he's
wait.
being guilted.
Wait.
Oh, he's going down.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Is he gonna do it?
You got to go for it. Peer pressure.
I don't know if I would, man. I mean, you guys are young.
Yeah,
You have better balance. You hadn't gotten too old yet.
Our balance was showing incredibly low.
But your balance was pretty bad. But
Oh, hey now.
well, I mean, it's like, you know, you jump with like weights in your arms or something. Something was pulling you forward.
That's exactly right.
I know you just did that for added excitement.
Yeah, I know. It was all the drama.
That's exactly
Drama, yeah.
We're going. Come on, let's go. How deep is the water?
It's really deep.
We didn't have bottom.
Look at what we have ahead.
He's not.
You just can't look that much.
No, it's too late now. Now's when he might get hurt because he's looked too much.
Yeah.
It's scary like this.
Oh, he's going. He's totally going. All right. He actually had a nice technique.
Yeah.
You know, he kind of stepped down the face. You know?
Yeah.
It's impossible to keep from like shaking your feet.
No,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like your arm